Hello, welcome back to the Finbus channel. This is your friend Shamil Sajjad and this is where you come for in-depth content on business and finance. We are in our weekly stock analysis series and we are doing the 6th episode today. In this series, we feature only those companies which are fundamentally very strong and which have current momentum built up. In this way, we try to benefit the fundamental investor who is looking for thoroughly undervalued shares and the swing trader who is trying to profit in the short and the medium term. Today I have brought one such company from the pharma space, Caplin Laboratories. Let us have a detailed look at this company. Caplin Laboratories is a small cap company with a market capitalization of around 3,500 crores. The NSE code of the company is Caplin Point. BSE code is 524742. The company is headquartered in Chennai. A look at the core business of the company. Product wise, 75% of the revenue is contributed by generics and 25% by branded generics. If you look at the sales by channel, 70% of the sales is contributed by distributors, 20% by pharmacy sales and 10% through tender sales. The geographical distribution of sales is 86% of the revenue come from Latin American countries, 8% of the sales come from the United States alone, and 6% of the remaining sales come from Africa. Let's have a look at the manufacturing facilities and product capacities of the company. The company has two state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities at Pondicherry and Chennai. And the production capacity of the company goes like this in major product categories. 1,500 million tablets per year, 20 million liquid injection in ampoules, 1 million bottles of dry syrups, 170 million soft gels, 400 million capsules, 65 million liquid injection in vials, 12 million pre-filled syringes, 30 million suppositories, 12 million pre-mixed bags, 6 million bottles of liquids, 12 million ophthalmic units, and 1.2 million lyophilized vials. The major products of the company are tablets, capsules, injections, ophthalmics, liquid orals, soft gel capsules, ointments, creams and gels, powder for injections, suppositories and ovules, dermocosmetics, surgicals and disposables, pre-mixed bag formulations, inhalers and sprays, and IV infusion. The company is moving towards more of as a branded generics manufacturer from a 95% generics producer across geographic segments. The company has a very aggressive research and development strategy. It has 5 dedicated facilities for research and development. And over the past 5 years, the company has spent over 1.6 billion rupees in developing its R&D capabilities. The R&D team of the company is 362 men strong, and the company is increasing its spend on R&D as a percentage of its sales. Caplin Laboratories is a very undervalued company in the pharmaceutical space. The PE ratio of the company is just 18 versus a PE ratio of 35 in the pharmaceutical industry. The company has displayed a very strong revenue and earnings performance for the past many years. The sales of the company stand at 905 crore rupees as of the close of the fiscal 2020 and has given a compounded annual growth rate of 31.3% over the last 6 years. The earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization has also grown at a rate of 40.5% over the last 6 years. The profit after tax of the company is at 215 crore rupees as of the close of 2020 and it has grown at a rate of 42.3% compounded annually. The company has got very strong cash reserves and funds all its expansion through internally accrued cash. The cash and cash equivalent of the company stand at 284 crores as of the close of the fiscal 2020. Caplin Point Laboratories is a debt-free company, and the company has got strong spending in capital expenditure, which stands at 768 million rupees in FY20. Company has a very healthy and steady fixed asset turnover ratio of 3.45, and it has not varied much in the last 3 years. The company is also maintaining a very healthy and steady receivables. The receivable days for company is around 95 days. The company has shown great resilience in the COVID hit period, whereby it has responded very smartly to the crisis through strengthening its online platform, which has helped the company not to have a decline in its growth and sales. The company identifies 5 major areas as its growth engines. The first one is its core business. The company tries to receive steady growth in its core business. The second factor is the boosting of the growth of the US business, which is a developed market. The third is the scaling up of the value chain, both forward and backward, whereby the company is creating great economies of scale in its value chain. Company maintains a very strong balance sheet and plans to do so in the future also, with no debt exposure. And last but not the least, the company saves up cash very aggressively and funds all its expansion plans through internally accrued cash. The positive momentum in the stock price is getting stronger every day, and it is around 30 at the moment, whereby the negative directional index is only at 13. This gives us a bullish signal on this shares price. The stock has started seeing very steady and consistent rise in its volume traded, and every intermittent trading sessions, at least once in a week, we have a very high volume day, which shows that a lot of institutions are targeting at this particular share, and maybe the stock has entered a very bullish territory. When we look at the MACD, we can see that the signal line is rising very strongly, and it is about to breach the MACD line from behind. And also we can see that there is a lot of positive momentum build up in this stock, which is indicated by the blue area, and the measure of momentum at present is 44. The stock is currently trading around 435 levels. The stock has a strong support around 375 and a strong resistance around 560. The all-time high of the stock is around 755. As this is a very fundamentally strong company, this company can be kept for longer periods of time, and it is an ideal stock for accumulating in anybody's portfolio. I hope this video will be useful to you. Please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet, and please share the content of this channel in your social media handles. Thank you for your time. It's bye from me till we meet again, and you take care.